Before we start, make sure to turn on the captions on the bottom right. There's Japanese, English, Spanish, and Portuguese, so make sure to turn them on before the video starts. Good morning! Today we went on a little adventure to find some of Emmy's family here. But it was New Year's vacation and the shops were closed. But we did happen to stumble upon
Let's walk in. Oh, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Is it open? Yes, this one is open. Wow, this is big. This is bigger than the one we knew So many things. I want a satang lagi to like Sige, over there. Where do you want to eat? By the window? Here. Sit by the window. Yeah. Yeah. Me too. Yay. We're gonna have favorite bakery. I don't know when was the last time I saw a blue sky like this.
Feliz Año Nuevo! I think if you press the little button,
Oh yeah.
it will go back. Feliz Año Nuevo!
Yay!
Please don't run on the street. I will run you over, man.
Oh my god. So we're gonna go on a little drive now, somewhere. And hopefully see the blue water before it gets all cloudy again.
Yes.
So much water. The place we were at. Oh my god, what is this? The sky?
Oh my.
Jesus.
Oh, it is actually so nice.
You think it's nice?
It is so nice. Wait, will the camera be able to turn around? It will. Ah, let's go. It is so nice.
I am not okay.
Are you not okay? Are you okay now?
Yeah. You're gonna catch a cold.
I will never catch a cold.
I don't know if the microphone is going to survive this.
Wow, it is hard to. You can't walk. Microphone, gambare. Gambare, camera. I hope the gimbal doesn't break. Or, yeah, this is what you have to do to see the water in Okinawa. Let's go. Oh, wow. No, you cannot. Genius.
Oh, the water turned green. It is green.
Oh, the sun.
There's so much water.
Ah.
So much water. Oh, look. A person.
Oh. Little vlogger. Oh, yeah. With her little microphone.
Be a little vlogger.
Yeah.
And you too.
Yeah. The two types of vloggers. One on their neck, one holding it.
Yeah.
Can I?
We're gonna have two vlogs.
Yeah. I wanna go look at the shoes. I wanna go look at you again. Kakino. Are they still there? They are here. They're still here. The derpy ones. The derpy. Jeez. Wait, which one is Ryugen? Which is the fattest? That's what it is. This is Ryugen. This. They really do. And this is Shuta. This is Shuta. Yes! So good. So good. Yes! Yes!